What's up, everyone? Brett here, AZ Froggy. Doing a little tool showcase, if you will. All this stuff here is from Mr. Brian Taft at RC Pit Products. Great guy, lots of great products. First tool I got from him were these shock pliers. And man, are these so much nicer than the other ones I've had for many years. These are a lot more comfortable, they're more secure, and they're just a lot lighter too, and smaller to carry, so it's easier to put in my race bag. Then I got a set of the long shaft hex bits. Nothing unusual about them, just very nice, great quality, fit into any 1/4-inch driver handle. Great pieces, and I got the long ones because it's easier when I'm working on, say, my slash when I'm out racing. Leave the wheels on, I can change motor or a pinion or something like that real easy. Makes it a lot easier. Then we have here a full set. It has the 4 main hex bits, but it also has the nut drivers and an awesome handle. This thing is just great. Everything drops in, clicks, and stays in. It does not come loose on you. Pull back, release. Great piece. Light, comfortable. You got the holes on there if you need to add a little more torque. You can put another bit through it and turn it that way. Great piece. Then we have here one of his newer products, Speedball Lens. These are awesome, especially for someone like me. I'm out racing, need to get in somewhere tight, and don't feel like taking everything apart. You can get on the many different angles and still have plenty of bite. I've been using these. I love them. So if you're looking for some great tools at great prices, go check out rcpitproducts.com. Right there. If you use code 5% off, you get that much off your order. Here you go, guys. Again, great pair of shock pliers, different bits, and then the full toolkit. You will not be sorry if you get any of his products. They are great. Well, thanks a lot, guys. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. Please give a like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.